got the starter kit. So this is probably what you would want to start with if you haven't tried them before, because it comes with the adhesive, it comes with the tweezers, it comes with this remover, and then it comes with 3 different sets of lashes. It's going to be an interesting angle, but essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this to the underneath. I'm going to hold it up. I'm always shocked when it works. Okay, there's the first one. I've got a second. Hold this. Do not blink. Do not blink. Section number 2 is on. Section number 3 coming in hot. Boom. So I grab it with the tweezer. The other super cool thing about this is that the adhesive is pressure sensitive. So once I've got all of these on, then I use these and I crimp them, and it will set them for up to 10 days. So I've got all of those on. Now I'm just going to take the tweezers and I'm gonna just go on either side, and I'm going to crimp, meaning just like press it together. Then I'm gonna come to a different section, crimp. Then I'm gonna go to this front section. Like, you just saw that real time. Look at the difference.